Your interview is going to be in which place and on which date? What is your qualification?
So my interview will be on 5th of July. It is in Kolkata, that is in West Bengal.
Mm.
And so my qualification is, in the last year I've completed my BSc in Maths honors.
Oh, only in 2022 you completed.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Very good. How come you managed to crack in the first year itself this exam? It is very rare. We come across such students very rarely. Were you preparing for such bank exams or say insurance exams even during your third year?
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, right from the starting, I have a goal that I would, I have to become financially independent and to support my family, sir. So I have made up a mind according to that plan, and so from the my third year itself, I've started my preparation. And so I have to just concentrate on my basics as maths, as I have a I have a graduation in maths. That's why, sir, it helped me a lot during my preparation time. And also, sir, I was able to qualify many exams.
Good. So did you clear any other mains exam?
So not mains, but sir, I was able to get get be I was able to get in the mains exam of some of just like SBI. I was able to get in the mains exam.
Oh, but not
So I was not
not
able to
crack
crack
it,
it.
not crack
Yes,
it.
sir.
Very good. Doesn't matter. Now, uh, can you please tell us about your family?
So I am the second child in the sibling of three, and so my father is a railway employee, and my mother is a homemaker.
Mhm. Good. In your interview, would you like to choose Bengali as your language or English as your language?
So I will prefer English.
English. Acha. How
Yes,
good
sir.
are you in Bengali?
So I can only understand Bengali, sir, but I was
Acha,
not
acha.
very fluent in Bengali.
Acha, acha. You are not basically a Bengali. You are from
Yes, sir. So
Gujarat
I
or
belong
which?
from, sir, I basically belong from Balia, UP, Uttar Pradesh.
उत्तर प्रदेश हो तब तो आप हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं ना
Yes, sir, I can, but sir, I will prefer English more as,
true
uh,
that is that I understand that but do you know reading and writing in Hindi?
yes, sir, I perfectly well aware of that things.
Why did you opt to apply for Calcutta division?
So I haven't applied, sir. Actually, they have
Acha acha
given me the
this
place of
this
Kolkata.
AAO is all India posting na this
Yes, sir,
AAO
that is pan
all
India.
India you wrote examination in Calcutta correct?
No, sir, I have wrote exam in Ranchi itself, but they have just shifted all the centers to the zonal headquarters. That's
Acha,
why, sir.
that is the reason. Good, very
Yes, sir.
good, excellent. So what do you know about LIC?
So, LIC was formulated in 1956 by Life Insurance Corporation Act, and so after its formulation, it became a synonym for the life insurance in India. And so, LIC is one of the biggest employer in our country. It has more than 53,000 branches, and the total people working in LIC is more than 14 lakh if we add up the agents also. And so LIC's logo is two stand, enclosed hand, which protected a diya in the middle. And so two hands stands for the things which is being the we are protecting a thing, and the diya in the middle stands for the thing which we are protecting. And so LIC motto is Yog Akshay Mam Vaha Mayam. And so it was taken from the chapter 9, verse 22 of Bhagavad Gita, sir. And its meaning is your welfare is our responsibility. And so right from the starting, currently LIC is in 66 year of its anniversary. And so if we talk about any people, whether he is people of the rural areas, he will certainly tell that they haven't taken an insurance, but they will just add up the name of LIC as it has become a synonym of trust for them. So this
Good,
is the power of LIC, a brand value of LIC, sir.
good. What is your full name?
So Krishna Upadhyay.
Yeah. Is it okay for me to go on live because you are talking very well? Why not we go online live?
So whatever you prefer, sir. I would be
Yeah.
comfortable more if more people are watching me.
Yeah, very good. Because you seem to be communicating with confidence. So I thought it is good to go on LICAAO mock. Date is 24/06/23. You are going to Kolkata. BSc Max. Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. Mm, But all your degree and all, where did you do it? Please tell about your degree and also about your +2 and 10th class. Where did you study and how did you fare in that? What was your marks or rank in that? Can you please tell me?
Yes, sir. Talking about my degree, sir, I have completed my graduation in maths honors from Radha Govind University, and sir, I've got 68% in my maths honors.
Mhm,
And so for my 10+2, so I've completed my intermediates from Doon Public School, that is
mhm,
situated in Dhanbad, and I've got around 75% in my class 12. And
mhm,
so for my class 10, I have completed my class 10 from Dhanbad Public School, that is
mhm,
situated in Dhanbad.
mhm,
And so I've got 10 CGPA in class 10.
mhm. Now tell me, um, say, what made you prefer LIC and that too as AAO?
So we have already witnessed uncertainty in life. So we have already witnessed COVID-19. We have already witnessed the tragic accident of Balaso. So
Mm,
uh,
and that too as
during COVID-19, so I just wanted to get a stable government job. And
Mhm,
so as government job is a synonym for prestige as well as public service. And so if anyone from if you wanted to opt for any government job, if he do a Google search, he will get to know about top two exams that are SBI and LIC, sir.
oh,
And so yes, sir. And so LIC and SBI both are the top two the most prestigious exam that anyone can think of working with. And so that's why, sir, I have decided to focus on these two exams only. And so last year I've given my SBI PO, but I was not able to crack. But so as LIC is a non-annual exam, so its notification won't be released in upcoming years, as it takes 2 or 3 years to release. So I was not quite sure about the notification of LIC. So, but when I see the notification of LIC, so I've decided that I will give my 100%. I've also learned many things after giving my mains examination in SBI PO. So that's why I've decided that I've made up my mind that I will not only be able to crack this exam, but also be able to join this exam. So
acha.
that's why, sir, I've decided that I would be working as yes, sir.
Imagine you are recruited in LIC as AAO. Will
Yes,
you
sir.
be trying for which exams will you be trying after this? Which
So,
recruitments?
sir, currently, sir, my goal is to become financially independent and support my family, sir. And so for that, I would be give my 100% just in LICAAO. So I don't have any any other thought regarding any other exam, as my first priority is right now LICAAO. If sir, if by God grace I would be selected, I would be I wanted to perform or excel in this field only, sir.
Oh, good. Then how you could communicate well in English? What is the practice you had?
So, as I have completed my graduation from English medium school, sir, completed my schooling from English medium school, and so I have a good grasp of English due to my college life also, sir. Because in college I was the forefront runner in various events, sir. I
Oh,
participated in debate at my college level and also organized various events. That's why, sir, I was able to communicate well in English. And also, sir, there is one more thing. I have been selected as school vice captain, sir. That's why there is a thing that I have to just take care of that thing, that is my communication. I have to make it fluent so that people. Uh,
did you apply for LIC ADO?
no, sir, I haven't applied for LICADO.
Why?
Because LIC ADO is I've gone through various YouTubes, and they say that LIC ADO is a uh, clerical based job, sir, and
No,
it's
no, it's not. It is not clerical based. It is
but there
it
is
is marketing oriented job.
marketing oriented. Okay, sir.
Is that the
And so,
reason? Is that the reason you are not willing to apply for that?
no, sir. Also, my mind is fixed on LICW and SBI PO. So that's why, sir, I was not able to. I haven't considered LIC ADO.
Supposing in this interview they decide, okay, I'm sorry, we could not take you for AAO, but
Yes, sir.
there is a vacancy in Ranchi as ADO. Will you take it up?
No, sir. I
No.
won't take it up, sir.
It's okay. Doesn't matter. Good. Now, can you please tell further details about LIC? How many branches? How many divisional offices like that?
So LIC has more than 53,000 branches, which is more than any other financial institution
How many?
in India.
How many branches?
53,000.
No.
53,000.
No.
So
you're wrong.
Total.
No. It is 2,800 some branches only. From where did you get this message?
I've written it on YouTube, sir.
No.
Okay, that
No.
may be wrong.
No. You are wrong.
Okay, sir.
You are wrong. It is 1 minute. I have told it in some. They have how many zonal offices?
So 17 zonal offices.
No, Baba. 8 zonal offices, na? उधर में भी आप खराब wrong answer देते हैं. How come you are giving a wrong answer? Why have you not prepared properly? देखो कितना बैंक है साहब, देखो.
Fully comprised of branches.
Read that loudly. I think your preparation is not adequate. When did you join our group?
So 3 days.
3 days back. Oh, that is why you are not prepared fully, because almost all these points have been told many times. Please read that today.
Okay, sir. Today, LIC functions with 2,048 fully computerized branch offices, 113 divisional offices, 8 zonal offices, and 1381 satellite offices, and one corporate office. LIC wide area network cover 113 divisional offices and connect all the branches to a metro area network.
Good. Through a metro area network. Very good. Which country owns LIC? What is this silly question? What is the answer for this?
So of course, India.
How many LIC companies are there in India?
So LIC companies.
24. I mean, wow. It should be asked differently. Life insurance. It is not LIC. How many life insurance companies are there? The answer has since changed. Now it is totally 26, including one LIC. Including one LIC. Who is the CEO of LIC?
Mr. Siddharth Mohanty, sir.
Who is the biggest agent, LIC agent in India?
Sir, I have read about him, sir, but currently I'm not familiar with the name. But
it is given as Khem Singh.
Khem Singh, okay, sir.
One Khem Singh, then Rajesh Chadda.
Rajesh Chadda, okay.
Rajesh Chadda. Good. Doesn't matter. Good. Very good. Now, which is your native place?
So I belong from Balia, Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. Acha.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell some good points about your native place?
So my native place, Balia, is situated on the confluence of river Bhagra and Ma Ganga. And so Balia is famous for one more thing. So as it took an active participation in the Indian struggle for freedom, in 1942, it was the first district that got its independence from the Britishers. and it was led by Saeed Chittu Pandey. And so there is one more thing famous about Balia, sir.
When was it? When was it?
The 19th of August 1942.
अच्छा, ये तो
Yes,
ये
sir.
SMP हिस्ट्री हमने तो भाई मेरा मन में नहीं है. अच्छा, you mean to say your part of the state was given independence even before 1947?
Sir, district, sir. But it was just a short-term independence of 4 days only.
4 days only. अच्छा,
Yes,
अच्छा.
sir. But as the spark of revolution we have in our Balia district itself.
Oh.
It is known as Bagi Balia. That's why, sir.
So that is okay. Then for this question, okay, you have to tell about history. Apart from that, you have to tell about the tourist places, important people living in that place. What is the profession of the people? What are the crops grown, etc.? What are the industries available in that place? Who is the MP of your place? Who is the MLA of your place? Like that data you must give.
Okay, so
History is okay. History is fine. But then SMP दूसरा points भी अब बताना है. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no problem. Good. Now, did you go through the details of some of the say subsidiaries of LIC and associate companies of LIC? ये सब पढ़ा है?
Yes, sir. Your video had that very video, sir, as guide me to join your channel, sir.
Acha, acha. Tell me names of associates of LIC.
So currently, LIC has 6 associates. First is the IDBI. Second is the IDBI Trustship, and third is the IDBI Housing Finance Limited, and fourth is IDBI Housing Finance Limited Trustship, and fifth is IDBI Mutual Fund Limited, and sixth is IDBI Mutual Fund Trustship.
IDBI Mutual Fund तो दिया नहीं.
Sorry, sir. LIC Mutual Fund.
LIC Mutual. और एक बार पढ़ लीजिए. Please read it.
Okay, sir. I will, sir.
Read.
Okay.
Read on the screen loudly. Are you seeing on the screen?
No, sir. I haven't. So there is a blank Google tab is there.
Blank only is there. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
I am thinking that I am showing it to you. That's why I am telling. Please read करके बोलता हूँ.
Yes, sir. Actually, I prepared notes regarding that.
Please read.
Okay. There are 6 associates of LIC. First is IDBI Bank Limited. Second is LIC Mutual Fund Trustship Private Limited. And third is LIC Mutual Fund Asset Management Limited. Fourth is LIC Housing Finance Limited. Fifth is IDBI Trustship Services Limited. And sixth is LIC HFL Asset Management Company Limited.
Good. Excellent. Then can you tell me about 2 subsidiaries of LIC?
Yes, sir. First is LIC Cards Limited. It is a collaboration of Axis Bank and LIC Cards, and so they only issue credit cards. And so another is LIC Pension Fund Limited.
Good, excellent. Now coming to other questions. Did you go through about the life policies issued by LIC?
Yes, sir, I have.
Acha, now before that, please tell me how insurance mechanism is working, or how insurance can be defined as a science. Could you follow what I said?
Yes, sir. Yeah. I get it, sir.
Yeah, please tell me.
So insurance as a science, we can say that, sir, just a rough definition of insurance is that whenever we are trying to cater anything or safeguard anything, that is property or your life, we have to just pay a certain amount to the person who will take care of that thing for us if there is any kind of mishap happen to that thing. And so it just remove our worries regarding that thing.
I think, yeah, this is okay. This is definition of insurance, but it is not answering my question that how it is considered as a science, for which I have posted a video separately, wherein it
Okay,
has
sir.
been told that it is an actuarial science which uses mathematics, statistic, data analysis, and all studies
So,
about what is the risk probability, and based on which it decides the premium to be charged and the amount of money to be kept aside to meet the claims, something like that. थोड़ा उसका बारे
okay,
में
okay, sir.
डिटेल पढ़ लीजिए. Very
Okay,
good.
sir.
Excellent. What is the difference in job role of AAO and ADO?
So, job role is a supervisory position. Its main function is to maintain a cooperation between the different branches of the LIC. And so, he is also responsible for the introspection of the premium as well as the various plans that have been in the market. And also, sir, as it is a class one officer job, uh, you are also responsible for the claim settlement.
Good.
And so, ADO is a marketing type of job, and you have to recruit agents, and the agents will collect collect premiums on the LIC's behalf,
Not premiums,
and
policies.
select their sell
They
their
will
product.
canvas policies.
Yes, sir. Canvas
Yeah.
policy.
Yeah. Good. What do you know about IRDAI?
So IRDAI stands for Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. So it was situated on the recommendation of R.K. Malhotra Committee in 1993, and it was situated on 1999. And sir, after its set up, it has become the apex body for the insurance sector in India. And so currently its headquarters is in Hyderabad, sir. And so IDI main function is to regulate the insurance sector and guide and put and make laws regarding the insurance sector in India.
They are not making laws. They only follow the laws. IRDAI is the authority which gives insurance licenses to companies, and it is also the company which takes care of also approving the new policies and fixation of premiums. Above all, IRDAI is the authority which is taking care of the interest of the consumers or customers of various
Okay.
insurance companies. Okay,
Okay.
good.
Yes.
Very good. Excellent. Now, how do you see yourself 5 years from now?
So 5 years from now, sir, I wanted to see myself as a learned man. I wanted to, consider after 5 years, I wanted to be a man who is, informed enough just to create awareness about the insurance sector. And so I would be able to, help some many people in upcoming 5 years if I would be, uh, get selected, sir. And so,
You said you wanted to come to government sector, but after you are joining LIC after 2-3 years, a
yes, sir.
private insurance company is offering 2 times the salary that you are drawing at that time. So
Yes,
what
sir.
will be your reaction? It's a very big company, not a small company. It's a very big company, and that company is offering you twice the salary you are now you are being paid by LIC. So what will be your stand?
So if I would get an opportunity just to work in LIC, sir, it is a very big thing for me, sir. And LIC, sir, you have been promoted as a class one officer. It is a big and reputed job, sir, and it cannot be, it is cannot be bought from any other big, uh, kind of big, uh,
No, no. Here
big package.
you are struggling to answer. Instead of telling the answer, you are going around the issue. You could have simply said, I will not change. I will continue with LIC only. Something
Okay,
like
sir.
that. Or you could have told, oh, so nice, sir. If it is 2 times more, then I will go. I mean, if at all you feel like going, then you can say like this. But your initial statement was, I want to be in government company only. So to stand by that, you have to say, no, I will not go even if they offer 3 times the salary. That is how you have to say. But
Okay, sir.
they can again counter you by telling, don't you think you are not wise to refuse such an appointment? Because you will get huge amounts in your hands. Why should you refuse? Do you think only government companies will stay long and others will not stay long? Why do you think that private companies cannot run in our country? Some such grey, useless questions will be asked. You must be able to answer them properly. Now, last
I will
question.
prepare them beforehand.
Last question for you. What are your hobbies?
So my hobbies are jogging and cooking, and the last hobby is my photography.
Cooking? लड़का cooking
Yes,
करते हैं?
yes,
अच्छा,
sir.
क्यों? Were
So,
you staying alone sometime?
actually, sir, in particular, my case, sir, my mother used to live, uh, outstation, as she is, she has had suffered some chronic disease in the past, and so due to this, sir, there is a, I have to just learn cooking, so that I'm a foodie myself. First thing, and second thing is that in order to become self-sustained, and or in order to just don't rely on other, I have to I have to learn cooking.
Which
And so,
dish can you make very nicely? Superb, superb.
so actually, I can make litti chokha.
What is that?
So it is a kind of dish in which you put a sattu, that is the main ingredient of that dish. And so
The dish you are telling, is it a main item or sub item or a juice or what it is?
so it is the main item, and so it is considered to be the national item, state item of Bihar and UP.
So it's
And
made
it
of
is
made of rice.
no, sir, it's made of flour, and
Achha,
we
achha.
put some.
It's made of wheat flour.
Yes, sir, it's wheat flour,
Very good.
and it is served hot with smashed potatoes, some garnish with coriander leaves.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you. You were able to manage this question also. Do you watch, say, this cookery channels and all that?
Yes, sir. As I'm I watched whenever I try to cook something new, I watch a video beforehand on YouTube.
Very good. Excellent. Thank you. Thank you so much. I have not covered
so much,
your next interview date. When do you want? Yeah, I have already fixed for you. Now, next interview date, I will cover about the policies and other questions also. I have not asked about policies. I have not gone deep into that. And I have not gone into your HR questions also. I will ask you later on. Thank you. Thank you. Best wishes.
You so much,
you did well, but maybe there can be slight improvement. If you go for marks out of this, how many marks per interview? 60?
60.
Out of 60, you will get 45. But 45 alone is not sufficient because in the say in the ranking, even competition, even 1 or 2 marks will matter a lot.
Yes, sir.
Anyhow, best wishes.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. You did well. But then thoda padan, perhaps you are not prepared fully, lagta hai. I don't know. Will you permit me to say that you are not prepared fully, or you are prepared? Yes, अच्छा. Please prepare. और डीपली प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए. हमने आपको LIC AAO का लिंक दिया, LIC ADO का लिंक दिया, जो कुछ इसका अलावा you have to go through about your mathematics subject also. कभी-कभी mathematics में भी क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं. इसका अलावा आपने बैंकिंग का बारे में भी पूरा पढ़ना है, देन करंट अफेयर्स भी पढ़ना है. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Best wishes. God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir.